I purchased something, and I'm very excited to open it up and share it with you all. We just made a small. I need a drink. So let's get it going. This is something that I've been truly wanting all on this time. Oh, it's already open. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is by just looking at this? Yes, I got me all the components here. I don't know what this is. Is this what you use? It has that thingy. It's not even HDMI. I've never seen that before. This is the power cord, obviously, because it has the prongs, you know. Prongs there, and then the big boy. Let's see it. God, they package this really well. Love a good packaging. Okay. On. Oh. This is the Sega Dreamcast Sega Sports Edition. I had to get it. I'm really curious to know how this is going to get set. Even has things for like select 2, 3. Remember those? I thought it came with the RGB, the red, yellow, and white cord. I do have one more thing to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys. So I have been wanting this game. I had to get a game. If I'm going to get a console, I'm going to get a game. So excited. This is from DK Oldies. If you guys don't know, I do shop a lot from that place and also from a place called Luki Games. This is one of my all-time favorite arcade games that I used to love when the arcades were around. So, oh my god, I'm gonna get emotional. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna get emotional. Oh my god, dude, it's here. Oh my god. The backing. Zombie Revenge. This is a spin-off of the House of the Dead series. I'm not crying. I'm not gonna cry, but wait, is this the right disc? Okay, got scared there for a little bit. My god. Is it a black back? No. Very little scratches, but it is pretty clean. My first ever game for the Sega Dreamcast. I'm so excited. Hope you guys all liked that video. Sound off, what was your favorite Sega Dreamcast game? Down in the comments below. If you guys comment, I might just check one out. I might buy it and might just stream it on Gaming Thursdays. If you guys don't know Gaming Thursdays, I do like to game and stream games that I've never played before, or I'm in the mood to play, or whatever the case may be. So leave those comments down below, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye.